Hello everyone, my name is Sotelo Princess BS Ed, major in English, Block 1A. Good day everyone. Today, this activity, I will discussing the topic of material or economic self. Especially, I will compare the ideas of William James and Russell Bell on how possessions can be considered part of the self, and then connect this activity to today's culture, especially in social media, fashion, and lifestyle. William James, one of the earliest psychologists, describes the self as including not only our mind and body but also our possessions. According to him, what we own become an extension of who we are. For example, our clothes, our books, even our home can shape our sense of identity. If we lose something valuable, it can sometimes feel like we lost a part of ourselves. On the other hand, Russell Beck, as a modern scholar, expanded this idea through what he called that extended self theory. He explained that possession, either physical object or even digital items, reflect and express who we are. Beck emphasizes that what we own, that we can consume, are powerful ways to commute our personality, values, and identify to others. To today culture. If we connect these ideas today world, especially with social media, fashion, and lifestyle, we can clearly see how possession continue to represent the self. Of instance, many people carefully choose the clothes they wear of the gadget they buy, not just for practical use but also to express their personality or status. As student posting their new sneakers on IG, or some showing the latest phone they bought, is an example of how possessions are tied to identity. Next, fashion. The brands we wear are often seen as a reflect on our style or even our social class. Wearing trendy clothes are luxury. Labels is not only about comfort, but also about experience. A certain image similarities lifestyle posts on social media, like going to coffee, traveling, or collecting certain items, are ways to representing a version of ourselves that we want others to see. Even digital possessions are now part of the self. Things that truly plays, game, avatar, or social media profile can represent who we are, just like physical belongs do. Beck's ideas especially valuable here because our online identify often becomes just as important as your physical one. As of me, as a student, I can relate of this theory in many ways. For example, in my school, in my school supplies, my phone, and even the clothes I wear to class affect how I feel about myself and how others might see me. When I have a notebook or reliable gadget, I feel more confidence in my studies. When I ha- but when I don't have the same things others have, I sometimes left filled out. Social media also influence how I value my possessions. When I post my something online like a new bag or a favorite outfit or even just study corner at home, I feels like I'm sharing a part of my life. I realize that while possessions can make me feel proud or confidence, they don't define my entire worth. What truly matters is how I use these things to grow as a person and as a student. Both William James and Russell Brake reminds us that possessions are more than just objects. They are part of ourselves and how we present ourselves to the world. And today, culture of social media, fashion, and lifestyle is ideas in even more visible. As a student, I have learned that while possessions do shape my identity, I should also focus on values, knowledge, and relationship because they are the things that truly complete and who I am.